Hello everyone, my name is Irati Urtuondo and I started with the dual diploma program in third year, in Hirugarren DBH, and I finished last year in Lehenengo Bachiller. It took me 3 years to finish the program because I took more subjects than the usual ones last year, so that I had more time for this year.
Dual diplomaren eta eskolaren arteko beste desberdintasun bat, ebaluazio irizpideak dira. Dakizuenez, eskolan ikasgaia gainditzeko 5 bat atera behar da, baina dual diploman aldiz 170 bat atera behar da. Bestelan, ikasgaia suspenditzen ari zara. Baina hori ez da arazo bat, naiz eta 70 inguruan egon, ala gutxiago, zure dual diplomako irakasleak esango dizu bideodei batzuetan konektatzeko. Eta hori dela eta zure nota igo dezakezu. Esan dugun bezala, astero lan bat bidali behar da. Baina lan horretan 70 baino gutxiagoko nota badekozu, zure irakasleak retri bat jarriko dizu. Hori dela eta lan hori errepikatu dezakezu, nota gehiago ateratzeko. Gainera, ondoan feedback bialtzen dizu, eta bertan feedback komentario bat da, eta jartzen dizu ondo egin dozula, edo zer egin dozun txarto, eta horrela. Nire ustez, ondoan feedbacka jartzea plus bat da. Ze hurrengorako jakin dezakezu zer egin ala zer ez. Gainera, ikasleen eta irakasleen arteko komunikazioa egokia da. Ze zalantzarik izatekotan, Gmailen edo Skypeen bidez, harremanetan jarri zaitezkete zuen irakasleekin, eta horrela zuen zalantzak bilatzen dituzue.
So now I'm gonna talk you about the subjects. There are some subjects which are compulsory and some others which are optionals. Inside the optional ones, you have a large variety to choose from, and there are very, very interesting subjects. So now I'm going to talk about the subjects I cursed. The first year I did English and life management skills. In life management skills, they show you things for your daily life. For example, the difference between a debit card and a credit card, or how to open a bank account, or how to manage your feelings, or those type of things that nobody show, like that they are not shown, but that are very, very important for us to know. In second year, I had to do history and English again. In history, I thought that it was going to be boring, but I promise I really liked it, and it was easier than I thought, and I learned loads of things, so I really liked it. And in third year, as I told you, it was my last year, so normally you have to do just one subject, but I did 2. So I did Government and Economy of the United States, which is compulsory, and they show you how the economics work in general, and the system of the United States, the way of working of the United States, and the history of the governments, like the first government was Washington, and the first president was Washington, and then all the history of the government of the United States and the way of working. and then I cursed a criminology, which is the optional one, but as I did both subjects the same year, I couldn't choose it, so they told me that I had to do criminology. It wasn't my first option. If I'm honest, I've never thought of like taking the criminology subject, but I really liked it. It was, I don't know, it's not my style, but it was very, very interesting, and I learned loads of things.